shut your mouth, puppet. Shut your... Ah, he beats me! You shut your puppet mouth or I'll rip it off! Whew. How you doing? You doing good now? Okay. I was gonna beat you with flattery. Intro of darkness and redness and whiteness. What? Okay, so I was given this doll. Isn't he awesome? And he's so quiet and peaceful. At Toby Games Live from an audience. She gave me a letter on there too, and I lost it. Haha. But I do have this bag of other faces you can put on him. He's like a Mr. Potato Head, made out of felt. A felty Mr. I felt him. Feel that? Whoever felt it, dealt it. What? I'm wearing a Black Belt Jones, and I have a seatbelt on top of it. It's a Black Belt Jones. I don't know. Jones comes in. Black Belt Jones, motherfucker. What? I blinked. It's good. I was gonna say flamingo anyway. So who cares if you bleep flamingo? No one has ever been offended by that. Simply putting a beep after any F word doesn't mean that there's something under... Anyways, why did I get this shirt? I just touched my nipple? Why did I do that? I'll answer that later. Way later. After the video. Oh, yeah. What? I'm not implying anything. We're gonna have an ice cream social. Nothing weird. You don't have to make it weird. I'm not the one that did. Did you hear Will Smith backhanded somebody? Not speaking of this guy. I know, just happened to... I read some news. Alright, so this reporter... I don't do my research before I talk about stuff. But his thing is he likes to kiss famous people. And you don't kiss Will Smith. So he went in to kiss Will Smith. And this dude wearing a white suit. I don't know what that means other than he's quite fashionable. And then Will Smith is like, what you doing? He's like, what you doing? Sucker? I don't know if he said sucker, but he said, like, something cool, and, he came off looking awesome, as he does. You don't mess with Will Smith. Now that guy, maybe he was funny before, but now it's like, you gotta be on Will Smith's side. And he's got Men in Black 3 coming out, with that guy that acts just like Tommy Lee Jones. I can't wait. Sponsor! What if that was a sponsored placement? That's brilliant. I should tell them to have, in advance, had me sponsored. Anyways, I really want to watch that movie. Is that out? What is today? No. This week? Weeks from now? Let's all go see it. We should have a watch party, and we should watch Black Belt Jones also. Over and over until that comes out. It's on repeat. I watched Legend of Korra today, because I'm an adult, and I watch cartoons. I watch Avatar: Last Airbender, all of it, because my sister told me to watch it. It's the best cartoon on the planet. Archer's amazing. Every cartoon that starts with an A. Archer, Avatar, Animaniacs. Yeah, I'm not even going to stop there, because I'm never going to ever find another one. I'm looking for one right now. That's not going to happen. I give up. Post in the comments. What's that about? I don't even care anymore. I want to play Diablo 3. Too many things. Okay, Korra. Legend of Korra. There's like 6 episodes now that you can watch, if you have someone send them to you or download them, but don't do that, because, I don't think there's any way to do it legal. I didn't do it. I found him on my computer, and then I was like, what is this? Play all of it? I'm like, whoa, how'd this get on back? Delete. That's not allowed to be on there. What? I'm serious. I didn't do anything wrong. It's all fun. It's a cartoon anyway. They're not going to press charge against somebody watching cartoon. But the point is, I pay for cable. I just don't know how to use my DVR. I paid $6 during a movie last night. I watched like 2 seconds of it. Not that it was bad. I was just tired, and I wanted something to fall asleep to. Well, I didn't actually think I was going to fall asleep, but it had really relaxing intro music. I don't know if it was good or bad or what it was about. I think it's called Hunted or Hunter or Hunty or Huntificationism. The Hunter? The Hunted? I don't know. Post in the comments. Okay, so yesterday was the last day of Annoying Orange, the shoot. For humans. For me, the human. The animators, they have a long way to go, I'm sure. I danced my way across the finish line, though. I danced like 3 times yesterday, maybe 4. Oh, they're so fun. It's the best, because I just dance until I pass out. So I'll just give it my all and dance as long as I can, which is 30 seconds, 35 seconds tops. Probably 30, actually, tops. And then I pass out on the pavement, on the green screen concrete. It's awesome. I'm really excited. The first episode airs... There's like a sneak peek. I don't know what the date is exactly. They're going to announce it on Monday. But it's soon. It's like this month. So that's got to be within a week or 2. It's going to be really soon. But I'll post it whenever they announce it. So the first episode, I dance over the credits. And that's exciting. So I'm just like going all out, doing my pointless E3 dance. It looks ridiculous, and it's fantastic, I think. I'm a fan of myself. Anyways, alright, I'm going to go play, hopefully, Diablo, and maybe other stuff. I'm playing way too many games now. 5? No, that'll be with Diablo, it'll be 5. Max Payne? I really want to play Max Payne on the PC. I know it looks like I suck, because I'm really bad at Xbox and console shooters. That's it. PC? Phew, I'm good, but not good enough to play online. But good enough that if I played it on PC and said it was Xbox, you'd be like, you are freaking good. Because PC's is always better than... I know, you're like, it's a sensitive subject. It's like religion, only even more sensitive. The sensitivity of your mouse is freaking more controllable than the console joystick. I know the Xboxes are great, they're beautiful, you can play on HDTV, and it's huge, that's fantastic, and you have a lot of fun with your friends, and it's wireless. But like, freaking mouse aiming at people's faces, you click on their face. There's no way to beat that. You practice all day moving your mouse all the time. Always. You click on their face and then they're dead. That's way better. And you can slow motion. You can slow motion and click. I can't wait. Max Payne 3, when does that come out on PC? Like a week or 2? They release it after Xbox just to make me really want. Luckily, there's a lot of cutscenes in the beginning. Not a lot of me aiming. Otherwise, that would just be even more embarrassing than it already is for me. Which is, it is a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try to play some Diablo if I can get on the servers. I haven't been able to get on the servers at all. I don't know. They keep going down. There's too many people playing. Good for them. I guess it means it's successful. Bless your face. If you sneeze on this video, bless you. I talked a lot and fast. What did I drink? I'm got a crazy energy drink. Celsius. Sponsor. Celsius. This stuff just makes you crazy. Talk about cartoons a lot. Begin with the letter A. Be a post. If you want to enter a t-shirt, the winner of yesterday's is annotated in the bottom middle of the video. If you want to enter a t-shirt, post a comment about A letter cartoons. Cartoons that begin with the letter A. Or white suits. Or Will Smith. Or smacking. Backhanding. Or front-handing. Handing. Hands. Any of those. Bless your face. Peace off. And then subscribe, outro, darkness, then redness, then whiteness, then... Oh, and also Julian Smith made a song about blessing people, and he even mentions a face blessing, and the guy he's singing to, his name's Toby, but it's actually his actor friend. But there's a lot of hilarious coincidences in it. You gotta watch his, I'd Rather Eat Randy. Eat Randy is a song. So funny. Julian Smith's awesome. But that's your face.